Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove social link from Twitch profile. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Writing a bio and linking to your social media accounts help to introduce yourself to viewers and provide them with a opportunity to check out your other media to get a sense for who you are. On Twitch, this also help improve your channel's discoverability by providing content for SEO that a search engine can read and then use when people are searching for you or other similar content. But what if you want to remove your social media link from your Twitch profile for some reason? It's a simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Twitch. Now you can just go to your profile. We tap on the profile in here. As you can see on my profile, there is an Instagram. You can remove it by tap on it. Tap on edit profile. Scroll down and the manage social link. You can just tap on that. You can just tap on here on the social link. There is an option delete social link. You can just tap on that. So as you can see in here, you can reopen your Twitch. So the social link has been removed from your Twitch profile. As you can see, there's no Instagram again on my profile, right? So that is how to remove social link from your Twitch profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.